Greetings, and welcome once again to From Kitchen to C-Suite, the essential podcast dedicated to bridging the operational expertise inherent in back-of-house hospitality with the executive-level strategic planning required for scalable, contemporary business success. I am your host, Don, and I am pleased to address a subject currently reshaping the fundamental structure of our industry. For several decades, the restaurant sector operated under a venerable, though frequently disorganized, paradigm. Success was predicated upon culinary proficiency, the immense dedication of kitchen management, the empirical judgment of experienced ownership, and an extraordinary reliance on manual labor. Forecasting, management, and execution were conducted using physical records, spreadsheets, and accumulated experience. However, this operational landscape is undergoing a swift and profound transformation. Today, we will conduct an in-depth analysis of, the digital shift, how AI is revolutionizing the restaurant industry. This is not a speculative examination of the distant future. This evolution is actively occurring now, across establishments of all sizes. Our discussion extends beyond the mere novelty of automated cooking or serving mechanisms, though we will certainly acknowledge compelling advancements in kitchen automation. We are focusing on a more substantive, transformative change, the elevation of data to the position of the single most critical asset in your operation, superseding even the quality of core menu items or beverage preparation. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sophisticated data analytics are transitioning from a theoretical advantage to an indispensable tool for operational viability. Consider the capability of predictive models to accurately determine the necessary staffing levels for prep cooks on a rainy Tuesday, basing the calculation not merely on historical sales figures, but integrating local event calendars, real-time traffic data, and even social media sentiment analysis. Envision automated inventory systems seamlessly integrated with point-of-sale terminals that effectively prevent profit loss by precisely minimizing waste and ensuring product availability. AI is no longer an exclusive resource reserved for multinational corporations. It represents the new operational foundation for every proprietor, from the independent bistro owner seeking improved quality of life to the franchise partner aiming for standardization and large-scale expansion. In this comprehensive episode, we will systematically detail the three interconnected pillars driving this modern AI-powered revolution in kitchen management. 1. Demand forecasting, transitioning beyond simple reliance on historical data toward predictive modeling that optimizes staffing, procurement, and utility consumption for maximum operational efficiency. 2. Smart inventory and supply chain, employing real-time data to automate ordering processes, substantially reduce spoilage, and maintain product uniformity across all operational locations. 3. Robotic kitchen operations and automation, exploring the practical, non-superficial applications of robotics in preparatory tasks, cooking, and service, which directly address the persistent labor shortages facing the industry. Whether you are a franchise principal seeking the marginal efficiencies that enable expansive scaling, a seasoned chef endeavoring to reclaim critical food margins, or a general manager striving for improved work-life balance for your team, this conversation is essential. The time has arrived to transition from managing your business based on conjecture to operating it based on verifiable intelligence. Let us commence our exploration of the digital shift. The conceptual boundary separating science fiction from operational reality is rapidly dissolving within the restaurant sector, where the once futuristic notion of artificial intelligence, AI, has become an indispensable, contemporary technological pillar. This extensive digital shift represents not merely an incremental upgrade, but a fundamental, transformative restructuring of the industry's economic, operational, and customer-facing paradigms. By strategically integrating AI, restaurants worldwide are achieving unprecedented levels of efficiency, fundamentally enhancing the customer journey, and deploying sophisticated, long-term solutions to deeply entrenched industry challenges, notably persistent staffing shortages and critical food waste management. Optimizing and innovating back-of-house operations, AI's most immediate, measurable, and significant impact resides in the profound streamlining and intelligent automation of core kitchen and management functions. This directly yields substantial cost savings and superior resource stewardship. Precision demand forecasting, transitioning from instinct to data science. The era of relying on managerial intuition or rudimentary historical sales averages is now obsolete. Highly sophisticated AI models execute deep learning analyses on a massive, diverse array of real-time and predictive data points. This information encompasses minute-by-minute point-of-sale POS data, localized weather patterns, the scheduling of major local events, e.g., concerts, sports, and even sentiment analysis derived from social media trends. By synthesizing these variables, these systems are capable of predicting specific order volumes and product mix requirements, with an accuracy rate that now consistently attains up to 95%. This granular precision is the catalyst for optimal labor scheduling, dramatically minimizing unnecessary overtime, and, most critically, achieving a significant reduction in perishable food waste. Intelligent inventory management and waste reduction. AI-driven systems leverage sensor technology and integrated POS data to provide continuous, real-time stock tracking across all ingredients and supplies. This visibility enables the systems to automatically generate dynamic reorder recommendations or execute necessary reorders with preferred suppliers based on forecasted demand. By maintaining a perfect equilibrium between stock levels and predicted need, these intelligent systems virtually eliminate the inventory overstock that precipitates spoilage. The result is a substantial reduction in both food waste and operational expenditure, while simultaneously supporting a smaller environmental footprint, appealing to an increasingly eco-conscious consumer base. Consistency, speed, and quality control. In the high-pressure environment of the commercial kitchen, AI-driven technology is assuming a vital quality assurance role. Advanced systems, such as robotic arms and smart connected ovens, are programmed to execute tasks with absolute precision, ranging from portioning ingredients to ensuring exact cooking temperatures and times. This technological consistency enhances the quality of every single dish served, increases the overall speed of service, and significantly lowers the reliance on continuous, high-touch manual labor for repetitive, simple tasks, thereby allowing human staff to concentrate on more complex food preparation and plating. Redefining and hyper-personalizing the customer experience. AI is the principal architect for a new, highly seamless, deeply personalized, and more efficient engagement for the modern diner, from the initial consideration of a visit through post-meal feedback. Personalized, error-free ordering and upselling. AI-powered digital menus, self-service kiosks, and advanced mobile ordering applications are rapidly replacing traditional human order takers for transactional simplicity. These systems offer immediate service and virtually eliminate common human errors in order entry. More importantly, they employ sophisticated recommendation engines that analyze an individual customer's historical purchases, dietary preferences, and even real-time decision-making patterns. This allows them to offer highly tailored recommendations strategically designed to increase upselling. Maria Chen, CEO of a prominent regional fast-casual chain, confirmed the quantifiable benefit. We have observed a measurable 15% increase in average check size since fully implementing our AI-driven recommendation engine. Augmented service, elevating human hospitality. The objective of AI in the front of house is augmentation, not replacement. While human personnel remain absolutely central to the core of hospitality, the warmth, expertise, and problem-solving AI-driven robots are efficiently managing routine, repetitive, and low-value physical tasks. These may include autonomous food delivery from the kitchen to the table and the efficient busing of used tableware. This strategic division of labor frees up valuable human capital, enabling service staff to dedicate their time to critical, high-value interactions. Offering detailed menu expertise, proactively addressing special dietary needs or requests, and ensuring the overall visit is a memorable and highly personalized experience. A potent solution to the global labor crisis. AI offers a multifaceted and potent strategic solution to the service industry's ongoing systemic labor challenges by intelligently augmenting, supporting, and retaining human talent. Proactive staff augmentation and management. AI tools are strategically positioned to fill the operational gaps created by high turnover and labor shortages, particularly in entry-level, low-skill positions. Beyond mere task automation, AI-powered software now excels at advanced functions, optimizing shift scheduling based on complex demand forecasting, significantly reducing the administrative and paper-based burden on managers, and even monitoring and predicting employee satisfaction trends through feedback analysis to proactively address potential turnover risks. Streamlined and efficient hiring. For managers perpetually engaged in the cycle of recruitment, AI dramatically streamlines the initial stages of the hiring process. These tools can automatically screen hundreds of resumes against defined criteria, conduct preliminary text or video interviews, and rank candidates based on fit. This significant automation reduces the overall time-to-hire metric, ensuring open positions are filled faster and reducing the strain on existing staff. Challenges, strategic outlook, and the path forward. Despite the clear and compelling operational advantages, the extensive transition to an AI-powered framework is not without its obstacles. The initial capital investment and integration costs for advanced AI and robotics can be prohibitively high, creating a significant barrier to entry for smaller, independently owned establishments. Furthermore, the deployment of large-scale data collecting systems necessitates rigorous adherence to data privacy regulations, requiring robust security protocols. Finally, there is an urgent requirement to develop comprehensive new employee training programs to effectively manage, maintain, and troubleshoot these sophisticated digital tools. Nevertheless, the overall trajectory of the industry is unequivocally clear. AI is the principal and accelerating catalyst driving a comprehensive transformation of the restaurant business model. As this technology continues to mature, becoming more universally accessible, cost-effective, and intuitive, a highly intelligent, hyper-efficient, and deeply personalized dining experience will cease to be a competitive differentiator and will quickly solidify its position as the new industry standard. The future of the restaurant and hospitality industry, which we've analyzed extensively on From Kitchen to C-Suite, is no longer a distant goal. It is an immediate reality, operating right now through complex, data-driven systems that are optimizing everything from walk-ins and back-office accounting to frontline service. The powerful integration of AI, machine learning, and advanced robotics, as demonstrated by today's compelling examples, is not meant to replace the essential human element of hospitality. Instead, these technologies function as ultimate accelerators, removing the systemic, costly friction that has traditionally hindered our industry from achieving peak performance and true profitability. Consider the tangible benefits. Sophisticated AI can now deliver a transformative 95% forecasting accuracy for labor scheduling and perishable inventory. This is a crucial competitive edge that directly boosts margins, minimizes waste, and frees up capital for reinvestment in staff development and the guest experience. Similarly, the practical use of robotics serves as a quality control mechanism, guaranteeing the absolute perfection and consistency of your brand's signature culinary promise across all locations, every single time. These sophisticated tools are not a threat. They are enablers, empowering the dedicated professionals at every level, from the apron to the executive desk. This digital shift is more than a localized trend. It is a profound, comprehensive global movement, reshaping the economic foundation of the food and beverage sector. Leaders who possess the foresight and courage to strategically integrate this technology today, moving beyond simple adoption, are not just getting ready for tomorrow. They are unequivocally defining the industry's success and leading its C-suites. Thank you for joining me for this deep dive into The Future is Now, AI's comprehensive revolution in the global restaurant industry. I'm Don. Keep the passion burning in the kitchen and the vision clear with data in the boardroom. We look forward to seeing you next time. This vital discussion and the mission of From Kitchen to C-Suite are made possible by the generous commitment of our forward-thinking sponsors. A profound and special thank you goes to HRB Universal. Their dedication to providing comprehensive educational resources, cutting-edge certifications, and promoting operational excellence is a critical foundation that empowers professionals in the culinary and hospitality fields to reach their highest potential. We also spotlight the Plate and Pour Collective Equity Partner Program. This pioneering initiative embodies a true, tangible commitment to fostering shared success, promoting equitable growth, and democratizing opportunity within the competitive food and beverage sector through a focus on genuine partnership. They are actively helping entrepreneurs build a more inclusive, financially sound, and thriving future for everyone. The path to the C-suite, or to scaling a successful multi-unit operation, is not a solitary endeavor. It is a marathon fueled by innovation, relentless dedication, and critically, the right professional network and support system. We strongly encourage you to engage with the comprehensive resources, specialized education, and unparalleled support offered by our sponsors. For complete details on connecting with the educational power of HRB Universal and exploring the collaborative advantages of the Plate and Pour Collective Equity Partner Program, please visit our dedicated resource page at hrbuni.com or simply search for HRB Universal. Join us for the next episode of From Kitchen to C-Suite, where we continue our mission to explore captivating and immediately applicable topics designed to elevate your career, sharpen your entrepreneurial drive, and provide the essential insights for navigating the ever-evolving world of hospitality leadership. Tune in now. You can find us on all major podcast platforms and streaming services. Access all episodes and additional show notes here. https://linktr.ee/from_kitchen_to_C-suite. Until then, remember the key to longevity in this business. Keep innovating, stay dedicated to your people, and always aim for the ultimate success.